So, the Baden-Powell Trail. Many people come to Canada, this part of Canada, looking for trails to hike. This is the place to come. Come to Deep Cove, then start your journey, and when you're finished, recommendation, Honey's Donuts. That donut I just had was delicious. The people inside, Megan and the rest, were incredible. Both the staff and some customers who were willing to share a little slice of life, talking about experiences in the area and taking interest in each other's stories.
I lived up 184.
Thank you. We'll bring your thing out when it's ready.
How you doing? You're going to be in my YouTube this shop.
Nice.
You are in a book. I'm retracing all the steps.
That's fine.
111 places in Vancouver you should not miss.
Cool.
And the authors put in the Baden Trail. And as an aside, they said, and don't leave before visiting Honey.
Really?
So it's in the book.
I'd be interested
And
to see that.
It's going to be in. It's called 111 Places.
111.
I have a copy. I'll grab a donut and then I'll show it to you.
Please, that'd be wonderful.
And you're going to be in the video version of the book.
Yeah.
So, what would you recommend? What is it?
Behind your stomach.
Okay, I want one. I gotta
Right
watch.
here to go.
I gotta watch. For here.
So, your total is $370, please.
370. You got it. No outside food or drinks allowed.
Are you paying cards?
No cash. You can take. Do we have enough in there? Or do I need to get some bills out?
I need some bills, but I can take out 370. So I need a bill. So 70 cents here.
What do you need?
$3 or 5.
Let me see if I have. I thought I had. There's one
Perfect.
more.
Where's that loony?
Now you're good.
We're good. We're golden.
And then put these in your
Thank
little
you.
jar.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keep calm. Eat a honey donut.
Keep calm and eat a honey donut.
You're a good one.
That's it.
Do I wait for it or do?
I'll give it to you right now.
Okay. And is this water here?
That's correct.
Wow, what a cool place. The water is in this machine? Ah, thank you. Perfect. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
Merry
Thank
Christmas
you.
if I don't get around telling you.
After you've done it, make sure to come back. We'd love to see your book.
Oh, I'm going to show it to you right now.
Perfect.
You said you're missing the. Take the old envelope. Because I told you that when someone and now sit down. It's like 3 days.
There you go.
Yeah, because I can't find all the envelope anymore.
Is that ever cool? What's the story with that?
I don't like
I'm gonna tell you.
one day.
Wait a second. I hear people are here. It's here.
Say hi.
Okay. So I don't understand that. Because I only threw it out when someone took it and then okay, I told the person I'm not going to spend $7 now. Let's talk about that. Tell her that give you one tip, pero the old envelope, and then the next day.
This looks fabulous. And this is what they're known for, I'm told, the honey donuts. Here on the North Shore in Deep Cove. Oh,
So he's not here, but I brought a phone so I can take a picture. Do you mind if I take a picture?
you come.
Awesome.
And if you look up in the top left, this is what they highlighted. But here, notice what they mentioned and why I came here and why you will be in my video.
I'll take pictures. I can show it to
Sure.
the owner. Do you mind if-
My channel's Advisor Danny.
Where's that? Does that write down somewhere?
Both YouTube and Rumble.
Where's it? How do I? Do you have a advisor Danny?
AD. I think I've already with my Instagram liked honey because last night I did
I'm not on Instagram. I don't do social media.
AD.
Let me grab a pen. Hold on. I won't remember that either.
It is delicious.
You want me to take a donut in half?
All right. AD.
8. Want me to write it for you?
Yes, please.
Now I have glasses on.
It's 111 places. This is your book, you said, or?
Yeah.
111 places in Vancouver that must be seen. So he's doing the.
Yeah.
And Honey's Donuts mentioned in here.
A lot of these places I've never heard of. I was given the book, and I've messaged, one of the authors has messaged back, so I'll meet them.
Okay, so I don't want to skates. May I show her this?
Yeah, absolutely. It's
I know. I want to get one now.
it's a collection of what they believe have significance. Some things are quirky, but of all the places they chose 111. They did the last edition in 2019. So already I've discovered an antique place, Baker's Dozen on Main, is no longer there. The building is destroyed.
I guess oh yeah, there's a lot of fires up that way recently. Yeah.
But out here, in there, they've got the Baden-Powell 42-kilometer hike.
Corey Rock. Yeah.
As an aside, they mentioned don't leave this area without Honey's Donut. And this, I'm not a big sweet fan. I try to live a healthy life, but once in a while, you got to have something. And I'm sure there's some vitamins or something in there.
Not only that, this is Kate Winslet's favorite restaurant.
Whoa, Kate Winslet.
Yeah, she at the Oscars or something like that. She goes, I pine for Honey Donuts.
She's not here. She would really help us blow this video up. Next time she's here, message me. You're a nice person. What's your name?
Megan.
Megan, nice to meet you.
16,000 euros.
And I will only go when it's completely open, back the way it was in 2019. So they are almost there. They've just got to remove the testing yet. And then maybe by the end of the year I can go back. And now I'm planning a 50-stop Japan jazz tour.
Fun.
With a local, I interviewed her last spring. Her name's Tamami Maitland. She lives up at SFU, Burnaby with her family. From Osaka originally area. Studied in Berkeley, Boston, and then finished in Capilano. And now she performs here. And I interviewed her, and I always ask 3 questions of people. Where did you come from? How did you get here? What's your dream for the future? Her dream was to go back. So a few weeks later, I messaged her. I said, why don't I plan it, and we'll do it. So we're going to do 50 stops next March, April, May. From Tokyo on down to Okinawa, up to Hokkaido, and all kinds of little places. Small venues, 20, 25. whiskey, jazz bars, and she can share in Japanese and English her music that she's written and performed. Beautiful, some of the most beautiful music you will hear.
And Honey Stones is actually.
Tammy Maitland's her name. And you can, if you watch YouTube or Rumble, I've done lots of series with her. And you can,
What page was Goodwill? Do you remember?
I think it's number 7.
Number 7?
And what was your Instagram?
Everything is Advisor
Yes,
Danny.
number 2.
Advisor County.
Yeah, and if you go to YouTube, you'll be able to see Tammy Maitland. I've just finishing up an art series, the Culture Crawl,
Oh yeah.
but I did at the East Side.
But I took a
The
picture of
Atelier artists. They've got a warehouse with 45 artists inside.
Oh, wow.
So I did some of their conversations, which is the most recent, and then this will be in a couple weeks when I get enough. What's your name?
Yeah, Sharon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name? I'm going to put you in it. You're going to be in the video.
Read them up. Her
What's-
name's Eduarda.
Megan and Adora. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Ah, obrigado. I lived in Venezuela, in Colombia, but not, yeah, but I was hopping in and out.
But you should go there sometime like that.
But you are great people, and I'll tell you why. I meet a lot of people, and you engage, and that provides good customer service, and also shows you understand how short life is.
Their life is so short, so you're
It
not going to be happy that you're
just
alive.
goes by, and to meet people and to hear and to somehow sharing each other for a moment is what it's all about.
Especially in this new world of ours, right?
Yes.
Especially in
Yeah,
this new world.
hoping for better days.
I love that little gas station. These are so good. I love this. This is such cool. Like, I love this. I've been born and raised here in Vancouver, so I love stuff like this.
Good. You would love this book.
Yeah, and she's just from Brazil. And
Yeah, so I'm new in Canada.
This
Okay,
is
take care.
You too.
Bye.
Bye bye.
I'm
It's
excited.
unique.
Yeah, it is.
Deliciously unique.
Oh, good. It's so good.
We'll put a little clip in our Instagram for Honey because we met such lovely people from Brazil. So, how are you? Here in Deep Cove and enjoying meeting some wonderful people. And they are buying copies of this. And please understand, I'm not sponsored in any way. I just like the book and the concept, and I'm trying to provide good video content.